Today, we're diving into a fun and essential topic, describing your family using simple adjectives in English. It's a great way to practice your language skills while also sharing a bit about the people you love. Let's get started. First, let's talk about appearance. When describing how someone looks, we can use adjectives like tall, short, slim, or curly. For example, you might say, "My sister is tall and has curly hair." This gives a clear picture of her appearance. Remember, adjectives usually come before the noun, so it's a tall sister instead of sister tall. Now let's move on to personality traits. Adjectives like kind, funny, serious, or outgoing can help you express who your family members are on the inside. For instance, you could say, "My dad is very funny and always makes us laugh." This not only describes his personality, but also gives insight into your family dynamic. Combining these adjectives can create a more vivid description. You might say, "My grandmother is short with gray hair, and she is incredibly kind." This paints a fuller picture of her appearance and personality. When you combine adjectives, just remember to keep them in the right order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So, if you wanted to describe a family member who is both funny and tall, you could say, "My tall, funny brother loves to tell jokes." Now, let's make this interactive. I encourage you to think about your own family members. Can you describe them using simple adjectives? Maybe you have a brother who is adventurous or a sister who is artistic. Take a moment to think about it. You could say, "My adventurous brother loves to travel," or "My artistic sister enjoys painting." Feel free to share your descriptions in the comments. It's a great way to practice and learn from each other. Plus, you might inspire someone else to think of new adjectives they hadn't considered before. As we wrap up, remember that using adjectives is a powerful way to express yourself and connect with others. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. So, keep describing your family and don't hesitate to get creative with your words. The world of adjectives is vast, and there's always something new to learn.